What's good, peoples? What's good? Sorry, man. I had some tech issues, man. I had to reinstall my Ninja Trader, man. I had a lot going on. A lot going on. A lot. All right. Let's get to it, though. We do have news at 10 o'clock. So basically in 9 minutes. So, me kind of happy I didn't miss anything. So, let's see. Yeah, we had a lot going on yesterday. It's very eventful. Looks like. We got single prints all over the place, man. Look at this. Prints here. We got overnight single prints. We got regular single prints. Another block of single prints here. Like overlapping single prints. Then we got overnight single prints. All in here. Single prints up to here. Single prints here. So I think we could get these filled in. See what happens though. We did open up inside of value, so we could get rangy PA today, and it is Friday, so there's that as well. Right now we are still in a bearish trend, especially on 10K until we get back above the 50, at least the 50, preferably the 21. Yeah. Tech tilt everywhere, huh? Be that type again. Won't get me. Oh, sorry, buddy. Ah, what do you know? Right up to the single prints. So lead my hypothesis that way for now. Yeah, we just still in a gigantic range. We did reject right at this 30% level though. Almost at 50. Continue to the downside. So yeah. Gotta wait though to close it. I mean this could be a decent trade, but I'm not doing it for the news. Okay. see what the daily looks like. Daily is sitting like, oh, this is, huh? We could hold this. This is the entry. Continue to the upside. Retest. Re-up. Those. That could come down a little bit more, but look, we just in a big, yo, we've been ranging since the end of February. Just started it. Broke here. Just been back and forth, back and forth. Oh, that definitely, but not doing it with the news. That was an entry though. Would have preferred it probably more down here, really down here. But there we go. The news out the way now. It's an interesting spot though, because just wait for you to clear news. Is it gonna slow down some? Gotta wait till the tide comes. We are toppy though on the Stokes on the 4K. 10K still has room to the upside. Excuse me. Back. Kind of already tested here. Okay. Well, we'll do it again. Double bottom type situation. Yeah, this looks heavy. Telling you, man, every time it's like this, I don't know how people go for swings, man. I'd rather just scalp this shit away. Yo, we're overnight POC is way up here. You could definitely tell we were net short. So I'm tired. I would not be surprised we get up to at least 58, but really 390. That's where I'm looking, but I just want to see what the best for, because this could be a what is this? A bear flag. That's the case. There's the case. Yeah. Very low. Very low is an important level. Do break that very well. Could be make it PLC would be next. 5, 10. Overnight low right now is the line in the sand. Let's see that hold. See if we could trade back above here. Pulls down below these lows. It's really this low. Once we don't break that low. Yeah. Sweep that. Lost it. 16. Okay, okay. What do we want to do here? I don't think we have any more news neither. That was it. Just 10 o'clock. Yep. That's it. We got speakers, but they're not high impact speakers or medium impact speakers. See, come back down here, test. That's aggressive. Stepping in, moving trade. Night low, here we come. I don't know if we're gonna get that. All right, building that little piece of single prints. 267. Jesus, what was that? Goodness, this PA is up. Look at this. Look at the volume right now, man. Waited maybe for more pullback. We are right at the major level. I should have waited. Or I should have. No real. Jesus. That's what I was afraid of. That's what I was afraid of. That's why it's exactly what I was afraid of happening. Now, again. All right, stopped out again. I'm fine with getting stopped out again. I'm fine with it. Just gotta wait. Funny part is, this might be the actual retest. Oh, might be done today. Be aggressive with my stop loss because I'm down. So, yeah, I gotta be aggressive. You're an idiot, C. It's that, that's, yeah, that's my fault. Take the 10 instead of trying to, yeah, that was on me. Or keep your thing the same. But one of the two. $255. It's a lot sitting there. Ah, well, damn it. I take the 10 the first time. Yeah. Take the 10 the first time with the PA like this, probably coming down to 55, and they moved it down to 50 now. They moved it, put it down there. Yeah, that's my fault. Really should have been in here. Right here. Like to wait for double, triple confirmation. That is, could be a retest in the 83. Continue down lower. Although the 4K is a little bit slow, still got some room on the 4K, but we are starting to bottom out here. And we could be using the 10K as support. So, but we did break. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. We did today's. Ah, waited. Aggressive again. Let's see. Take a good trade, give it back here. Just being. That's the thing, man. Can't take every swing, and I think we were due for round two. Yeah, it's kind of due for one. Here, this hasn't been tested yet. As but see how we reacting here. But this isn't a big range. We could sweep both sides, realistically speaking. We come back down, test to like 90, possibly, but oh yeah. We like this, but let's see. What? Um, Short-term demand. 4K still looks. Kind of is a double top too. I see 4K soldiers like this. Be the retest to get back down. I don't want to see K close like that. That'll confirm another like a local top. This happening like this. I'm gonna see this get back above here. I mean, well, I guess long as this low holds. I mean, this is the real low, but you really want to see this low hold. See it close below there. But if we do, it's nothing, no liquidity here unless they. It's gonna run. What it looks like. Kind of see. They're gonna hold. That's what you want to see, but this local top to me, inside of. I mean, we're not. I guess technically you could say we are. We are trending from the overnight session, but goes below here. Well, this is what you want to see. Like to see that strong close like here. Short-term liquidity is trying to hold here, but yeah, nobody was. Yeah, this looks starting to look heavy. Damn. Hey, here, close. Minutes till. Need to hold. If not, then oh, we broke that. All right, I'm back. There's. I mean, I'm kind of late, so I don't even know if I'll be able to get an entry on this. Look at this test. Media. Technically, this is the retracement you want to look. Technically, this is where you want to see, right on a major level. Tight stop. I'd rather do it and be wrong right away than let it come all the way here. Like this thing. Then close. Oh, but those that shit sit is when I know me. Should have waited for the close. Of course, I don't get filled on that one. Oh, that was the trade. Of course, I don't get filled. That was the trade, dog. That was the trade, dog. All right. Yeah, I did not get filled, man. Took out initial balance low, so oh, all right, gotta wait again. Yeah, we still haven't touched 250. They kind of holding it. Aggressive, be aggressive, be aggressive. Gotta be aggressive. Oh, I'm so tight I didn't filled on that first one, man. Right here. So frustrating. I didn't want to chase it. I was gonna just mark it in, but I'm like, no, I don't want to chase. Even here, I mean, I really could have gotten here. We stalled, bang here. Better, it's a better stop. Better risk. Now we absorb those orders. Are they gonna get this reaction? Broke overnight low. I'm glad I did stick to the plan of shorting though. Once we broke this overnight low, I was kind of thinking shorts only. Dragon Ball Z Goku. Yeah, I'm so upset, man. I fucking didn't get filled on my first short. Well, frustrated. Let me say that. Had tech tilt this morning. Disappointed. Yeah, I had tech tilt this morning. I had to reinstall Ninja Trader. Like, what the fuck? Because it wouldn't let me log into my Apex accounts. It kept saying login thing fail or whatever. Check your connection. So I just uninstalled Ninja Trader and reinstalled it back. I mean, it wasn't too bad because I already back it up. So once I loaded it back up, everything was back to normal. I didn't have to do much. It was just aggravating having to do that. All right. I'll just sit and we this is short term demand from the 10K from yesterday. So I don't know how much weight this will actually hold. Uh, we should get a reaction here just because, yeah, didn't come back and test. Would not be surprised. Surprised if we. Yeah, now they got some orders at 220. 100 orders at 220 now. This is bearish though for sure right now. Yeah. So and yo, single prints all over the place from yesterday, from the overnight session today. Like, but I will say this: if we are going to be bearish, the target is probably going to be like 169. That's like naked PLC from the 10th. Yesterday's low is right above it. It's a lot in that area. Value rate low and the previous day's low is the same level. Naked PLC from the 10th. It's a lot of stuff there. So well, let me see actually. Surprisingly. Oh, for to be done with your evals? Oh, you got all your PA accounts. Oh, all right, nice. What to be over the threshold? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Are you still doing one contract or are you like adding? Yeah, yeah, you monkey, you yeah. 10 points, huh? Yeah, that's the way to do it with the Apex. That's all I've been doing. I've been scalping one contract. Yeah, mine's is 600 loss limit. Yeah. I go aggressive on the evals and then now I'm slowing down on the PA. Yep. Yeah, I do. I was doing 9. It took me a few. I ain't gonna lie. It took me a few tries, man. I was fucking getting like smacked because the trailing drawdown. So like, but 9 contracts with one 20 point trade, you passed. Actually, no, you really only needed like 17 points.
That's what I'm saying. That happened to me a couple times, but to me, it's worth the risk. I do that way, get the eval part over with, and now I could, like actually trade. Damn it. Okay, volume is picked back up. See, it's just so low with range and PA. Don't like it, but we are seem like we're trending now. In there, it's interesting. Like, we here. Yo, what the hell is? Oh, you gonna do this again? I was in the up mood and stalled here. I would want to get off. The problem is, it's nothing blocking this. That's why I didn't want to short. I wanted a short here, but that rejection to do like, come on, dog. Probably won't get the retest I'm looking for. Yeah, well. All right. You wet? I don't like the stalling here, man. I want to be so aggressive here. I'm trying to let the trade play out. I'm aggressive. If I get stopped out, it's okay. I don't. Yeah, that's what I didn't want to see. I don't want to see that, and I'm probably gonna. I'm gonna regret it. I knew it. But yeah, we start doing all this. Count me out. I mean, it's probably gonna come down, but start doing all these shenanigans. Do type want to re-enter. Type stop right there. This is. I will have to. Only thing I don't like. See, I will have to drop down like here. It's just had to be more patient on this one. See. That part is. It's gonna go. I just had to be more patient, and I wasn't. Yeah. Had to be way more patient and yeah, right here. Get off of the D-Gen time, take frame. Yeah, I just had to be super, super patient, and I wasn't. Would have hit my TP, but I don't like this type of PA. But I mean, very high in the 10th, sitting here as well. This low looks like it wants to get hit. Cannot tell a lot here. Like to see one more push up. I don't know if we'll get it. Once we start trading below the nice vibrating low, got the nice low here. Yeah. Everything is indicating down. This is one of those I should have took it, walked away. Did something else and came back. Yeah, just wasn't patient enough. It's there. Definitely there.
right here, 46.
Exact time. Touche. Touche.
All right, now we what? Got liquidity at 235, some medium, long term right now is at 240. Or short term. Two 40 could be in play. It's at 240 though. Guess here. Did come back and test though. It's tough because this kind of mini flip. They are bearish, but this is a mini flip, so. Okay, do we hold here? Or do we push up a little bit more? Yeah. Now it's just bracket and price, liquidity both sides. Yeah. $240 is like medium. 240 to 250 like medium liquidity, I guess you would say. Medium term.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting aggressive just because where we at. Are in that demand, so could bounce here. Aggressive, locked in 10. Fine, I'll take it. Take it. All right, had to fucking dig out of that hole. You know what? That might be done. It's about that time. It's about that time. Yeah, I took my TP at 195. Yeah, volume soon. The bounce, we're at like 1300 market volume right now. As soon as we tapped the 10th value very high. But that could have just been it's honestly it's bearish. Not like right now, nothing says bulls at all. Yeah, even the even with the oscillators, like on the higher tick frames, I'm like paying attention to them, but I'm not. I realize it can stay down there longer because we are bearish at the moment. Like 4K is bottomed out on the stochastics. So I always like to watch because this could be the pullback on the higher tick frame. I'm starting to notice that, like, especially this, like, it's like we're bearish rangy, if that's a thing. Yeah, because I mean, technically, we still are in range, and we are in. The problem is, we're in range in value, and value technically, because yeah, the range is big, but also the value rate low is the previous day's low. It's the same level, so that's what makes it like very tricky. Because usually you get the value area and then you get the actual range. Well, the low of the range is also the low of the value area. So unless we get back above value rate high or we break the range and the value rate low, then this is what it is. This is like I call it bearish rangy price action. Jesus, I messed some setups up, man. And we made some single prints up to 555, 255, 250, yeah, like 255, 256. So we very well could bounce, fill those single prints in, and then continue down. Question is, does it give me another play before I am done for the day and have to go? Well, I'm gonna get a retest. I just rally this and all. Okay, so right now 240 is the spot of resistance until price says otherwise. Yo, we've been ranging since the end of February. It's fucking crazy. I've been on that wave. Yeah, it's kind of like the this like for like pure scalpers, this is like paradise for them. Hey, we kind of did close here. Damn. Yeah, and that's kind of why they be saying like don't trade. They don't want you trading the news because I mean sometimes it works in your favor. But a lot of time when that happens, then you go around blaming them. Yeah. Funny thing is, like when people do future prop firms, I mean, you do have connection issues sometimes, but they'd be like, "Oh, they're." I seen somebody say they're b booking us on futures, and I was like, "What? They can't do that. Like, they don't even own the data." I was like, "Yo, you." Yeah, that's. I was like, that's exactly why it's regulated because so you can't be booking a book people. Like, yo, what is wrong with people, man? Look for anybody to blame, I guess. People never satisfied. It's like, oh, I don't want to be booked. And it's like, go to futures. Oh, I don't like their rules. When it's like, yeah, you got to choose, man. You can't have everything. Like, or trade, or like trade your own money. Like, it's that's the only solution. Like, yeah. Well, I mean, you figure most people started out with forex. Like, I started out with that's how I got introduced to it through forex. But then once you find better and do better, I mean, people in other countries it's probably a little bit better, like you guys, because y'all have like regulated forex spots, I guess you could say. Like I have regulated forex, yeah, like certain firms or whatever. Yeah, if you trade indices and commodities, I don't understand why you just don't trade futures. Really? No. Oh, okay. I stand corrected. Oh, I stand corrected then. I thought there were certain like brokers that were regulated in other countries. Okay, stand corrected. No, yeah, I know that. In the United States, that shit is over. Like the only one that is legal is like forex.com, but what is it not your margin. What's the other fucking the other one? Can't I'm having a brain for it. But your margin isn't that like you got to have a lot of capital to like you can't put $100 in account and be able to trade like 5 lots. Like you gotta the margin is it's like 50 to 1, I think the max for forex in the United States. Where you got like brokers where they do five, like the legal ones, they do 500 to 1, 1,000 to 1. Yes, they do. Like they do have like legal CFD um forex things in the United States, but nobody likes them because you can only do like 50 to 1 max. So they're like, oh, I can't flip $100 until 10,000 because I don't have enough margin. You got to actually like build it up slowly. Yeah, but essentially, yeah. I think safe to say, it's like price wants that 240. Our toppy again, man. Damn, man. Tell I was too aggressive. This trade.
Yeah. Yeah.
This one I was a little too overzealous. Took back to back because I seen this fail and then try to get back in again. This one, when I seen it push like that, I should have went to break even instead of holding. This one, I don't remember if I long or short here. Yeah, this is like one of those like kind of either way type things, but leaning now at least for a possible push up. Yeah, like at least a bounce up. So yeah, and price is just holding the lows, and we starting to make like higher lows, and just 240 sitting there. Yeah, it looks like that's what it wants to come for. I don't have that on mine. This was, I mean, yeah, I mean, we stopped like just short of 240. So those orders are still there, 240. Push. Probably take out this high, 244. I think, yeah, yeah, that's what I was just about to say. We come back and test that area. Nothing to really pull back into, honestly. This is where you gotta use camera. Come back in here somewhere. Yeah, we still have single prints up to 57, so I could see us filling those in. I mean, now the gap isn't, the fingerprints aren't that big, so I'd be surprised if we just left that here and pulled all the way back down. Yeah, probably not. I want a longer here, but I'm not. Stop below here. TP here. Yeah, I wanted the long right there as soon as we confirm close at 46 and just long it to 57, which is the close of the single prints, but I'm not. I'll just watch it go there. Even this is the retest probably. I'd assume this little push down is gonna be the retest and then pop up. $46. Soon as we closed above 46.25 with that candle, we closed what 46.75. I would have entered, but yeah, stopped out, or I would have got stopped out at break even at this point because I would have just went to break even just because we are so high. So I'd have been aggressive with my stop here, but I just didn't want to enter just because of that possible scenario. So the juice to me wasn't worth the squeeze. Yeah, it could. It very well could. This could be in the whoever's taking price up here in their eyes. This could be all right. Cool. We did break above though 44, so we might be due. This could be just a pullback because we did make a new high off of 44.75, which started the move all the way down to 195.75. So this very well could just be the pullback. But we also are like in the middle of the op zone in a 4K. So this could just be. Yeah, I mean right now 41 to 94 is single prints from yesterday, and then you got 41 to 58 is the rest of those overnight single prints that need to be filled in. And then you got some more single prints at 425, 33. Yeah, that just indication. Yep. And now 4K Stokes, the fast Stokes are starting to top out. Slow Stokes still got some room, but this could be a good place to bounce. I am tapered off like a mother. Bless you. You're welcome. This is a good this could be a good bounce spot. This holds. It's confirmed. It's kind of confirmation on a long. That is the question. Do you really want a long here? See, could be the this could be the refuel, bounce up, and then fill in the rest of these single prints, and then fold over to the downside. I mean, we still got a ton of single prints from yesterday that need to be filled, so it wouldn't be a bad idea. I don't. Yeah, I do. I really do. I really do, chat. I want to long it. But if I was gonna long it, I should have been long in here. Stop here. Because we very well could come down, take this, and then still go. So now I'm just gonna let it play out. Gonna let it play out. See it going. I know where it's going. We're coming for those single prints. Actually, I know. Could have been long here. Stop here. Because this is the real confirmation candle. This didn't confirm closure above here. I guess here, but this didn't make the loss, so it's really here. Yeah. There goes the fill of those single prints. Nah, give it up. It's over. Yeah, I wanted to long again too, but the confirmation candle wasn't until 46. And I was just like, yeah. Well, yeah, on the 618 it didn't fill. It didn't close above 40 until we closed above at 46. So yeah, the fact that we didn't break uh the low at 228.25, that to me was the indication of all right, this is the bounce, and then you had the fast Stokes bottomed out right in that 30 area and started to curl up, and then BBWP crossed over. Yeah, so whatever, it's okay. Now let's see what price wants to do. Back at current POC from today, do we want to test the current value rate high? We get above this, that's a possibility now. If we get back inside yesterday's overnight range, that's a good sign for the Bulls. I will say that. Most those games built in. Not include the bug there. deeper retracement, but it's been nonetheless. Yeah, could be going up to here, honestly. 277. Just don't like these being toppy. Based it on this. $10K links. Yeah, now 10K stochastics curling to the upside. This could be a strong move. At least to like 287. This technically short term supply. Yeah. I'm gonna be super aggressive because I'm not trying to think back. Holy sh! Wow, that was a nice spike. I'll take that little scalp. All right, I think I'm done. I think I'm gonna take my last little scalp and be out of here. Yeah, I got a long. I mean, I really would have liked to get long at 60, but I got long at 66. I like to. The problem is I like to just wait for like too much confirmation, so my entries don't always be the best. Like I'm like not aggressive enough sometimes. So, but sometimes it works out. Yeah, like I cost myself like 6 points with that entry. But I mean, I was only looking to scalp it till like 77. That's why I was looking to go. But yeah, definitely would have saved myself some agony. And my really my risk would have been better. Instead of risking getting at 66, and risking 10 points where my point of invalidation was, I would have only been risking 5 points if I got in at a better entry. So there's that too. Okay, we obliterated that shit. Yeah, it made sense. Once I seen the reaction to it, that's why I got in. And then my point of invalidation was the stop loss was still the same. I just would have been able to have 5 points less of risk if I get in when soon as we tap back into that short-term demand at 60. Took out, oh damn, we did. We took out 87 too. Called that shit to the called that to the goddamn tech. Jesus. All right, now we got some medium term liquidity put in at 300. It's not that much. It's only 60 orders, but build that in. 314 is still likely. 314, 315. We could push all the way back up there and then sell off. Test. Pull back right. Start in here. All right, man. All right, chat. I'm out of here. I'm gonna take my money and run. It's Friday. I know how I get sometimes on Friday. I think I heard of him. Twitter. Yo, is he doing? Not to cut you off. Is he the one doing the Robbins thing too? Is that the same person? Oh, he got out. Yo, he was on the leaderboard. He's like 5 or 4, some shit like that. Yeah. So what is he doing? He's trading 20 accounts. That is insane. Yeah, my main focus is just being consistent with something every day, just consistent. Yeah, that's crazy. One. It's one contract. That's what you got to get out of your head. It's one contract. It's one contract. It's one on 20 different accounts, but it's essentially one contract. I'm telling you, dog, just try it. Just think of it as just you're trading one account. You're what's the word I'm looking for? Like you tricking your brain into thinking you're only when you take a loss, oh, it's only, let's say it's 10 points, it's only $200, rather than thinking, oh fuck man, I'm down like $4,000 with 20 accounts. It's like, no, I'm down $200 across 20 accounts. See what I'm saying? Because it like, now the positive you could think of when you're withdrawing is, yes, I just got 120,000, but you're actually seeing the 120,000 or whatever come into your account. But while you're trading from a risk standpoint, you're risking $200. That's it. And you, because you have it's being copied across all the accounts, so it's not like you're have different risk parameters for all of them. If you're down, then you're down. Let's say like my risk is 600. I lost $600 today. That's it. I didn't lose 1,200. I just lost 600. Yes, I have it on 2 accounts, but I lost $600 because they're 2 separate accounts. If I wanted, I could just be like, all right, I'm not copy trading this week. I'll just trade separately. So that's why I say think of it like that. It'll just change your way of like thinking. You won't be so like, oh man, I'm down so much. It's no. And just think of it in a good way, like, I'm up so much. Do I really need to push for another trade? I'm actually up this much across this many accounts. Take away the negative connotation with all accounts. All right, chat. I'm done. It's Friday. Basically, I was down. I basically made, say I made like $600-700 today because I was down like $400-500. It's like $150 away from my daily loss limit. So I'm gonna take this and run. I've seen this too many times where I've done this, and I'm gonna take my money and run. So on that note, if you are still gonna trade safe. Enjoy your weekend. I will be back on Monday. Gonna go into my weekend in a good mood. So as always, let's end the day with 3D Vision. And let's start the day with 3D Vision. You guys have a good one.